struggling between this dunya and the deen. An important element of a believer's iman or the faith or the belief system is the faith and the belief in akhirah, the life hereafter. Because when you face the consequences, you understand that there's a certain strategic direction that you need to adopt. So when a person believes in the life hereafter, and they will focus on proper strategic direction on the Sirat al-Mustaqim. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala repeatedly throughout the Quran is actually teaching us the consequences part of this. The good one, you will face the Jannah. If you do the bad stuff, then you will face the Jahannam. The important part of our belief should be the life hereafter. I have to shape up my personality, my character, my course of action as a believer, ensure that my life hereafter is a pleasant one. My life hereafter is a good one. My life hereafter is the right one that is guided by my directions. Our actions in this dunya should be completely transformed, structured, and focused on the life hereafter. Life hereafter should be pleasant, should be beautiful, should have all the blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And if you backtrack it, you will understand what am I supposed to do to ensure that my life, eternal life after this dunya is a pleasant one. We are the believers and we should be the believers who believe in the hereafter, adopt the accountability to be in a very good shape and very good structure, very good state in the life hereafter, inshallah.